Hey YouTube, welcome. Joseph Balmer here, and what you're about to see is this poor burned up Cavileer just get, for lack of a term, ripped into pieces and stuffed into this trailer. Now the video of me squashing and smashing and loading out this load of cars will get posted after I post this video, but the reason I tore this car apart is I needed some pieces to fill holes, to fill voids in the load, and this car was the perfect one for it because since it had been burned, I didn't have to worry about any fluids left in the engine compartment or anything else like that. I mean, this thing from the interior forward was absolutely toast, and then the gas tank had been pulled out of the back of it, so of course there wasn't anything there I had to worry about. So I could grab a hold of the front end where the radiator was and everything else without having to worry about spilling transmission fluid or coolant or anything, because it was gone. It had burned up. So, or if it hadn't burned up in the fire, it got spilled on the road when the car caught. Don't particularly know the story behind it or how it ended up this way, but as you can see, there goes everything from pretty well the dash forward. You can see what's left of the steering wheel. Now I did try and put it in load, but it was sticking up too high, so I pulled it off, ripped the rear axle out from underneath of it, and as you'll see toward the end of the video, I did end up just throwing the rest of the car off to the side, and it'll go on the next load. It was sitting up too high, and I was afraid that if the wind caught it, there wasn't enough weight to keep it from flying off the top of the truck, so we just kept it around, and I'll stick it on the next load. thank you for watching. I really do appreciate the views. Please don't forget to rate the videos, comment if you'd like to. Love to see the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. When you do, click the little notification button so that you get the notifications on all the new content that I post on the channel. And again, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't be afraid to get out there and get your hands dirty, guys. You might just have fun doing it.